Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You begin by opening a blank Google Sheet and immediately setting structure so you can work fast. First, type the first date of the month in A3 using YIMMDD. This anchors formulas and prevents manual errors. Once done, create weekday headers in row 2 and lock row 1 for the month title so navigation stays visible. Make quick formatting choices, column widths, center alignment, and wrap text, because consistent cells make formulas predictable and the calendar readable. You now convert structure into a functioning calendar by filling sequential dates and linking weekdays. Use equals A3 plus 1 to drag or, for speed, array formula with sequence to generate a full grid. This prevents manual slips. Then apply text or weekday to align dates under correct headers and add conditional formatting to highlight weekends and holidays so visual scanning is immediate. Next, set up an events sheet and connect it via VLOOKUP or filter to display events in each date cell. Keeping data separated, you finish by polishing usability and distribution. Set print settings to fit the calendar on pages, repeat header rows, and protect formula ranges so contributors can edit events but not break structure. Once ready, share with precise permissions and optionally attach a short app script to send reminders or export PDFs automatically. If something goes wrong, make sure the base date cell is a true date and not text. Off-by-one errors usually mean a time zone or text format issue. Fix that and formulas will realign.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.